volume of a cube and a rectangular prism. Tara, umpisahan na natin. We have here a tank in a form of rectangular prism with a height of 4 cm, length is 2 cm, and the width is 2 cm. Let's solve its volume. Pero teka, balikan muna natin kung ano nga ba ang volume. Volume is the amount of space inside a solid figure or three-dimensional figure. Unlike the area which is measured in square units, in volume it is measured in cubic units. Cubic unit is a cube whose side measures of 1 unit. If each side measures 1 centimeter, the volume will be 1 cubic centimeter. If we have two cubes whose side measures 1 unit, the volume would be 2 cubic units. If we add 1, there would be 3 cubic units. And let's say we have 3 more, this will be 6 cubic units. Here we can see that we form a rectangular prism whose height measures 2 units, the length 3 units, and width 1 unit. Ngayon, balikan na natin ang problem natin kanina. Here, a rectangular prism has the height of 4 cm. It means that it has for 1 cm. 1, 2, 3, and 4. For its length, it has 2 cm. 1, 2. And for its width, it has 2 cm as well. 1 and 2. We can see that we have formed some cubic units. Now, let's count them. Now, we have 16 cubic centimeter, and that's the volume of this rectangular prism. Now, we can observe that if we multiply 2 cm to 2 cm to 4 cm, we will get 16 cubic centimeter. This means that to get the volume of a rectangular prism, we can simply multiply the length, width, and height. So another example. So if the length is 8 cm and the width is 6 cm and the height is 3 cm. So to find the volume of a rectangular prism, we are going to use this formula. The length times width times height. So huwag kalimutan ang formulang ito sa paghanap ng volume ng rectangular prism. Kalimutan mo ang x, pero yung formula ito ay huwag mong kalimutan. So ang length natin ay 8 cm times width natin ay 6 cm times the height is 3 cm. So 8 times 6 is 48 centimeter squared times 3 centimeter. So 48 times 3. So solve natin dito. 48 times 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. Bring down 4 carry 2. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 144. So the volume of this rectangular is 144 cubic centimeter. Naunawaan po ba? This time we have a cube whose sides measures 2 meters. To solve its volume, we need to multiply the length to its width to its height. But since the cube has equal sides, we can have the formula as sides times side times side or is cube. And to find the volume of this cube, we have 2 meters times 2 meters times 2 meters. And we have 8 cubic meters. And that is the volume of this cube. For example, this size is 5 centimeter. So since they are equal, so this size is also 5 centimeter. And this size is 5 centimeter also. So to find the volume of this cube, we are going to use this formula. So sides times sides times sides, which is the size natin is 5 centimeter times 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So 5 times 5 is 25 centimeter squared times 5 centimeter. So 25 times 5 equals 125 cubic centimeter. So this is now the volume of this cube. Sana naunawaan ninyo ang ating aralin. Just always remember to find the volume of rectangular prism, use this formula. Volume equals length times width times height. And to find the volume of a cube, you can use this formula. Volume equals side times side times side. Okay, bye children! Ako si Maestro Todeo na laging nagsasabi, mag-aral ng mabuti sa pagkakaroon ng magandang kinabukasan. Yan ang susi. Maraming salamat, ingat kayong lahat.